Kwa majina naitwa Mheshimiwa Wanjiku Njoroge. I'm the founder of Planet Patrons. We work with children to plant trees. We have a concept called the birthday forest. Birthday forest is a concept where we teach children how to plant and nurture trees. We moved away from just planting. We are insisting in pursuing growing of trees, ensuring that they grow. Today, as we are doing our birthday forest here, as you can see, we have a very big space here. We are actually celebrating mental health awareness because there's the benefit. Trees give us a lot of benefits. Among them is the calming feeling that you get when you go under any tree, and that's exactly what we're celebrating today. We are grateful for the county government of Nakuru for partnering with us. We have fruit trees, we have indigenous trees, and we also have these other trees that we can use for wood and all that.
Kwa majina naitwa Mora Samuel, County Secretary Nakuru. Na hii approach ambayo inatumika saa hii si tu kupanda miti kwa forest, ni kupanda miti na kuelimisha watoto wetu ili waweze kujua umuhimu ya miti. As they are growing up, they grow up with these trees. So the foundation has a concept whereby children plant trees during their birthdays. They are encouraged to do that in schools, so that as they are growing up taking care of these trees.
Wawero Richard, the environment officer, Langaranga Primary School. Ours is to plant trees regularly. We have been teaching pupils on the importance of these trees. Without trees, we can't get oxygen. Without trees, no shade. And without trees, no change of the environment.
Mna furaha